Hello everyone, I'm back. Welcome to Python-hat.com channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a to-do applications using Python and SQLite database. Uh, and as you can see here, I'm running this application in a terminal, which means that you need to run it from the shell. And I'm going to guide you on how to do for each of the basic operation, which is the CRUD operation, C for CRUD, which is insert task, and then R for read, U for update, and D for delete. Besides that, add on another one, which is a search for tasks. I'm going to show you one by one by using this. Okay, first, I put here, as according to the menu, is I for insert. So I put here coding Python. So let's see if our data have been inserted or created. Put here the R. Okay, here it's coding Python. Now I'm going to insert another one. Play football. Again, I would like to put another one. This is the third one, which is buy groceries. Okay, so put here R. I already have 3 of the tasks that I'm going to do here. And now let's say I'm going to to update. So for update, just put U. I'm going to change here, instead of coding Python, I would like to add coding Python and SQLite3. I need to specify the ID, and then let's put here coding Python and SQLite3. Let's see whether it's already changed, but it's already updated. So out here, now it's changed, right? Coding Python and SQLite3. And I have more here, delete and search. So stay tuned and watch until the end of the video. Thanks for watching the video tutorial. If you like the video and haven't yet subscribed, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to Python-hat channel. By the way, if you have the means, you can support us and click the link given below, coffee.com/pythonhat, by buying or tip us coffee. See you soon. Again, thank you very much.